come back, hard disk is larger than 1 terabyte. This sort of problem is often happen for the PC user. First of all, I try to install Windows 7 in my PC. I try to install Windows 7, but after install Windows 7, this sort of error message is come. Then second time I create 100 megabyte partition. After that I try to install Windows 7, but again this error message come. So how to solve this problem? First of all, you have to restart your PC. In a boot menu, you select first boot is DVD-ROM and second boot is hard disk, and insert your DVD-ROM in your Windows disk. Okay. After restart, you enter. Now you enter. Okay. After enter, you Windows 7 installation is come, but you click repair your computer. Okay, you click on here. After that, system recovery option is coming. Okay, system recovery option is coming. Then you click no, and then next. Click on next. Sometimes it's this kind of problem is happen. You select Windows 7, then next. I try 2-3 times, but it's happened. But it's working. It should be working. And yes, after that you click command prompt. You click on command prompt. In a command prompt, you write it down. So this section is very important. So you have to watch the full command carefully and screenshot it. Okay. And if you have a problem, please comment. If you leave the comment, I will solve your problem. Okay. I give you the whole command. So first of all, you have to write it down. Boot. No, it's wrong. Boot, BOOT, boot. Then SCCT, boot SCCT. Then slash NT60. Okay, NT60. Then space ALL space slash again. Then force FORCE. Okay, so screenshot this command, please. So boot BOOT SCCT slash NT60 space all space slash force, then enter. After that, please press the enter. Okay, now you see the successful update. You list one volume, successful update NTFS file system. So now all your problem is gone. Now you exit your Windows. After that, restart your computer, please. Restart your computer. You see your problem is solved. You see, I show you the screen. Starting Windows. That means your problem is solved. I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. If you have a problem to solve this problem, please leave your comment. I solve your problem. Thank you very much. Bye bye.